While China continues with the suppression of the Uyghurs in East Turkestan, China's media tries to hide the crimes by saying China has brought luck and joy to the Xinjiang region. Also, it is said, with the help of China, the Uyghurs are now satisfied.
乌培，小乌，来，快。
The president of the East Turkestan Information Center, Mr. Karakash, criticized the Chinese government harshly. The Chinese government has actually increased the tyranny in East Turkestan for decades. Now, there are 5 million Uyghurs imprisoned, and their children ended up being orphan children. Therefore, one can only speak of the worst and most painful days of the Uyghurs. Despite this state terrorism, China still claims in front of the world public to be responsible for the Uyghurs' joy. Since the occupation began, there is nothing more left to smile about for the Uyghurs. The Kazakh Galimbaek Shakman from East Turkestan fled from a Chinese concentration camp to Taiwan to get to Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan, however, denied him entry, forcing him to travel to Uzbekistan. He is currently stuck at the Tashkent airport. Chinese diplomats have taken official steps to secure the extradition of Galimbaek. The UN proclaims that the Khashoggi murder was planned by the Saudis and that the investigations in Turkey were massively obstructed through Saudi forces. Agnes Callamard, UN Special Rapporteur on Executions, writes about the murder in her report. My investigations in Turkey show that the killing of Khashoggi was planned and carried out by Saudi officials in an ice-cold manner. The US diplomat for the European Union, Gordon Sondland, said, "Our common gross domestic product is $40 trillion. This is enough to act against China on an economic, military and intelligence level. For this reason, the EU and the US must bundle forces." According to Sondland, the economic relationship between the European Union and the United States is disturbed, so it is about finding a solution to existing differences in the quickest way. The president of the Grand Unity Party, BBP, Mustafa Destici, emphasized at the conference the Guljar massacre and the prison camps, that China has been steadily increasing pressure on the Uyghurs recently. He states, "It is called East Turkestan and not Xinjiang."